Hi everyone, you're watching Bizzi Art. In this video I'll show you how to make this cool model, the tumblewing. It's a bit like a plane. It flies through the air and it spins as it does so, a little bit like what I'm showing you there. Let's get started. I'll begin by folding the paper in half on both diagonal sides. Then I'll do a blintz fold on two of the corners, so doing the upper and the lower ones. Using the same edges, I'll double these over. I'll spin this around and then I'll fold it in half. On this edge here, I'll fold the corners in towards the middle. Then I'll unfold. Then I'll do inside reverse folds on these corners. As you're working in the middle, this will be the really bulky section of the model. So the next step will be a little bit fiddly because there's a lot of layers in the middle to work with. I'll fold the corner down. So yeah, there's lots of layers in my triangle here. It's very thick. I'll open up my tumblewing and I've got a couple of squash folds to do here, so I'll pop this back onto the table so I can flatten these down. To finish off, I'll go back to the other side and fold up that little triangle so it's on a standing position. That means I can hold it between my fingers like this and watch it fly everywhere. Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.